There are moments that mark a before and an after. Moments when passion, purpose, and history come together to create something extraordinary. Today, OCCRE opens a new chapter. After years conquering the seas, crossing railways, and inspiring thousands of modelers around the world, OCCRE takes to the sky for the very first time. And to make that debut, we couldn't choose just any aircraft. It had to be an icon, a legend. It had to be the Spitfire. A masterpiece that defined an era. Celebrated worldwide for its unmistakable silhouette, its elegance, and its indomitable spirit. A plane that rose to become myth. Today, that myth is reborn in your hands as the first model in OCCRE's new World War II aircraft collection. Every piece, every curve, every detail, crafted in wood and aluminium. And to mark a milestone for OCCRE, our first ever aircraft model, a tribute to human ingenuity. To the passion of building, to the thrill of creating something truly unique. This is not just a new kit, it's a statement, a leap into a new universe of model building, an invitation to aim higher. Welcome to the OCCRE Spitfire. Welcome to the beginning of a new era.